organizations face the challenge of developing and assessing the competencies of their workforce. Introducing the Learning Competency Framework, a comprehensive approach to understand and enhance employee competencies. Technical skills, soft skills, industry knowledge. Through targeted training and development programs, employees can enhance their technical skills, such as programming, data analysis, and project management. Soft skills, including communication, leadership, and problem-solving, are nurtured through interactive workshops, role-playing exercises, and mentorship. Industry knowledge is vital for employees to adapt to changing trends, technologies, and best practices. Encouraging continuous learning through research, networking, and attending conferences is essential. Regular competency assessments, such as self-assessments and performance reviews, help employees and organizations gauge progress and identify areas for improvement. By implementing the Learning Competency Framework, organizations unlock the full potential of their workforce, fostering professional growth and driving organizational success. The Learning Competency Framework empowers individuals to excel in their roles, leading to a high-performing workforce and a competitive advantage.